This week we're going to be investigating whether you can speed up the rate of seed germination. Can we make our seeds start to grow faster? You will need the following equipment. Some seeds. Something like sunflowers are ideal. They need to be big seeds that you can handle easily. A table for your results, set up like this. Some labels. And 4 waterproof containers, 2 of which are full of water. Finally, you will need some plant pots, they'll be used later on, and some sandpaper or the back of a matchbox. First, take 3 seeds and place them in a dry container. That's your control experiment. So we're not doing anything special to those. Secondly, take 3 seeds, place them in a container that's full of cold water. We're going to soak those for 24 hours. Next, take 3 of your seeds and sand them. You're going to make the surfaces quite rough and take off some of that protective coating. I want you to think about, is that going to help the seeds or is it going to make things worse? Do this for 3 seeds. Group 4 are treated in exactly the same way. They are sanded to take off some of that protective coating. Do as much as you want. What you want to do is keep going until you start to see a colour change and the whole seed starts to feel rough. Try not to drop them. Once you've done that for group 4, they go into the water because they are sanded and then soaked. Do that for all 3. After 24 hours, when the seeds have had a chance to soak, come back and plant them into a labelled pot. So normal, soaked, sanded, soaked and then sanded. Just push your seeds lightly down underneath the surface of the soil. And again, just do that for each pot. Once you have those planted, put them somewhere warm and just come back and check on them each day. Which do you think is going to grow the fastest? Remember to check back next week to see our results and you can compare them to your own.